In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the age on an Epic Games account the correct way, because unlike some account settings, your birthday can't usually be edited directly inside your profile after sign up. So if you entered the wrong date of birth or you need to update it for account verification reasons, the main method is to contact Epic Games support and request the change. This is important to know because trying random workarounds usually won't help, and the safest option is always going through Epic Games' official support process. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the page loads, sign into the Epic Games account where you want the age updated. Make sure you log into the correct account because the support request needs to be submitted from the exact profile that has the birthday issue. After you're signed in, look toward the top left area of the website and open the support section. This is where Epic Games lets you contact their help team and request account assistance. Now, in your message to support, clearly explain that you need to change the age or date of birth on your Epic Games account. Be polite and specific, and mention that the birthday was entered incorrectly or needs to be updated for account access or verification. The more clearly you explain the issue, the easier it is for support to guide you through the process. In many cases, Epic Games will ask you to verify your identity and your age before making any changes. So be prepared to provide proof of age, such as a government-issued ID or a birth certificate. This helps them confirm that the account belongs to you and that the requested change is legitimate. If they ask for documents, follow their instructions carefully and upload only what they request through their official support process. Once you submit the proof, Epic Games will review everything on their side. After the information is verified, they can update the age on your account for you. This is why it's so important to go through support instead of trying to edit the birthday manually, because Epic Games has to approve the change from their end. After that, just wait for their response and check your email or support ticket for updates. Depending on their queue, it may take some time, but once approved, your account age should be updated successfully. And that's really all there is to it. To change the age on Epic Games, you contact support, explain the issue, provide proof of age if requested, and wait for them to verify and update it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.